I don't know which one to take first anyways. So I hope you've taken this down. So now let's do another example. Guys, the camera distracted me so badly, I don't know. Alright, so let's just take this one first, okay? 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 equals 0. Okay? Okay. So basically now, what's the first step that we take? Okay? X squared is the first step, isn't it? Dividing by 3. Okay? So what is the next step? Okay? You already know what the next step is. I've told you a million times. Now try and figure it out yourself. Okay? Okay, that's my mobile phone ringing. I'm sure you guys already know. That's like stating the obvious. Okay, I actually didn't want to pick up my phone, but I have to tell someone I'm busy right now. Okay, so just continue this. I'll be back in 2 minutes. You can solve the question on your own, and then I'll tell you the answer. Okay, let me just see who called me. Hold on. हाँ, अभी घर में हूँ, अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा काम कर रहा हूँ। अब तो मैं Okay, sorry about that, everyone. You know, it's just hard to explain to some people that you're in the middle of something and they're disturbing, you know. So, guys, certain people are such that even when you're telling them the truth and you've put all the evidence forward, they still call you like pathological liars, you know. I mean, I had to convince this person that I usually don't answer the phone, but because I missed your call in the morning, I'm answering it now. You know, my phone is outside, it's not here. That's why I had to go. Guys, I don't attend phone calls whenever I'm, really, teaching. But today it was very important. You know, otherwise a misunderstanding would have happened and, life becomes so tough. Anyways, so I hope you've gone to the answer. If you haven't, well then, just give me 2 seconds and we'll get to the answer. Okay? Alright. Getting to the answer is not going to be an issue for me. Okay, just write this one. Guys, I have a habit of writing things properly, even when everyone knows what the number is going to be. Okay, so I'm going to shut myself up and solve this now. Okay. Okay, so basically you have 100 minus 96 upon 36 equals 0. Okay? So now you have x plus 10 minus 6 squared equals 196 upon 36. Isn't it? Yes. So now you obviously cancel the square. Okay, so you get 14 over 6. Okay? So now over here, you get plus minus, okay? So now you get x equals minus 10 upon 6 plus minus 14 over 6. Over 6, okay? And now I think you guys can do the honors. You get 4 by 6, okay, 2 by 3, okay? And then obviously you're going to get negative 28, negative 28 upon 6. Yes, negative 28 upon 6. You would get negative 14 by 3, okay? So this is how this works. Wait, what on earth am I saying? Oh my god. Oh my god, man. What on earth am I saying? You see, that's why I write things down. I go too fast. Okay, so it's negative 10. Okay, minus 14, negative 24. Okay, divided by 6. So you're obviously going to get negative 4. Okay, you see, that's why I write things down. Guys, first in that question, I made a silly mistake. Luckily, I caught it, and then I made another mistake. It got a notice. Now a phone call. So you see, guys, this is what happens. That is why when you don't study in a quiet place, life can screw you over. So whenever you study in a quiet place. Now this is proof of that. Now guys, I'm not making any excuses. I'm not justifying myself. I'm just telling you how life is. That's just how life is. Okay. Now, I don't care about life. I care about the next question. So let's get on with the next question now. Okay. Guys, it was seriously a matter of misunderstanding. So I took the phone. I took the call. Okay? Basically, I would not have taken the call. I would not have even known who's calling. So I would not have taken it. Okay, but this time I knew who was calling. So I took the call. Otherwise, it would have been a misunderstanding. And here in India, when you develop a misunderstanding with someone, or you sort of give the impression of a misunderstanding to someone else, they make your life hell. You know, and I didn't really want that. My life is hell enough already, you know. I didn't want to make it more hell, so I had to take it. Otherwise, I would not have taken that call. Usually, people just run and take the call. I did not take it at all. I didn't take it immediately. I went after a little while. Okay, so let's just solve this now. So the first step here, guys. Oh, yeah, this is the first step here. And the first step here, guys, is okay. Yep, minus 3 by 10 equals 0. Okay, so let me just solve this one pretty fast now. Minus 3 by 10. Okay. Okay. Now, obviously, guys, it's like I'm just staring into space and writing things. But now I want you to initiate. Like you're teaching me, and you're like, no, here's the mistake if I do make. So I'm just now silently writing, you know, just to make sure that if you made a mistake, you can see this and you'll know that you haven't. Okay, so 1 minus 120 or 400 equals 0. Okay, so x minus 120 square equals, yep, equals, yes, equals 120 over 400. Okay, so now